today's assembly from a prayer. I would like to call Shobita for a prayer.
God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will make a way for me.
Thank you, Shobita. Next, Drew to say quote on friendship.
I want to say a quote on friendship. A circle is round and has no ends. That's how long I want to be your friend. Happy Friendship Day, all dear my friends. Thank you.
Thank you, Drew. Next, Namita to sing a poem.
My friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. Friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. You are friend. You are friend. You are friend. Come on. Friends, 1, 2, 3. All my friends are here with me. All my friends are here with me. All my friends are here with me. Thank you.
Thank you, Namita. Child to present his artwork.
Happy Friendship Day to all. Friendship is one of the most important things in our life. It is about sharing joys and sorrows, success and failure. Someone said, if you are friend, you are everything. I have more friends. My friends' names are Pragna, Achan, Rajata, Dhru, Ruthvi. My friends are good, intelligent, and sweetheart. Thank you. The friend in the need is the friend in a deed. Thank you.
Thank you, Cherish, for this wonderful artwork. And without to give a speech on the best friend. Hi friends. Today I am going to speak on my best friend. My best friend name is Samnidhi. She is 8 years old. We stay in same location. She is very pretty, but she is little naughty. We exchange our hair band clip dress. And thank you. I'm also best friend. Thank you everyone. Thank you Anvita for this speech. Aryan and his friend are celebrating Friendship Day. Let us have a look.
Hello everyone, my name is Arya. This is Riri. My Riri is best friend.
Arya is my best friend.
Thank you, Arya. Let me conclude today's assembly by thanking our principal ma'am, teachers, my friends and parents. Thank you.
यारी है ये नंबर 1 यारी है तू जो रूठा तो कौन है